We're here today at Contractor Day for our land lab for the Highway Construction Academy.
We've been out here driving equipment and learning how to run the excavator and the dozer and the loader and the skid steer.
I did not realize how quick I was able to pick up coming from the simulators into these big equipments.
It's been a pretty good transition. The simulators, I mean, it really gives you the feel, the muscle memory of everything coming together.
I feel like all of us in this class have excelled in transferring that knowledge from the classroom directly to the construction trade.
I think it's good that everyone has a little bit different experience levels, so some people can maybe learn something from one person and one person can teach the other person.
We're all in it together, sharing the equipment. It's been a true joy to watch how well everybody's gotten along. Like, this has been a great group.
Having practical experience here at the land lab has really made me more confident in my skills. It was a little intimidating at first, but being able to really get our hands dirty and get on each piece of equipment, I feel like it's gonna prepare me very well for any kind of construction job, really. It really gets you prepared for that future.
I am just highly motivated to get out there and put in my applications everywhere, because actually doing things in nature has been just amazing. I really do love it. It makes me really want to go into this industry.
I've always wanted to get into the construction trade, and I think that this is going to get me a job tomorrow, hopefully.
Getting this practical experience it's awesome. It's really helpful. I think we're learning a lot of skills, and we just can't thank Caltrans enough. This is awesome.